A relativistic alpha particle is moving along a circle of radius r with a constant angular velocity. Point lies in the same plane as the distance of 2r from the center point. It records magnetic field produced by the particle. If a minimum time to is 0, it is find the angle. Tell me what is the doubt here?
Sir, like, I couldn't get the given answers.
Can you tell me what you are doing in this question?
Sir, it is given that it will move in a circle. Sir. Sir, magnetic field of any one charge q is mu naught I by 4 pi q into v cross r by r cube. Sir.
Mu naught by 4 pi
Q into v cross r by r cube. Sir.
Correct.
So when the tangent at that point passes through the 2r point, sir, the magnetic field will be 0, sir.
So the magnetic field will be 0 when the circular motion particle, alpha particle, is at A or at B.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is 2R. Okay. And this, how much is this angle?
Sir, pi by 3, sir.
Pi by 3. So what is the time to go from one point to the other point?
2 pi by 3 omega.
2 pi by 3 omega is equal to t. So omega is 2 pi by 3t. What have you put this as the answer?
Sir, I put none of this, sir.
But you are getting na 2 pi by 3t.
Yes, sir. I think I made some mistake then, sir.
Oh, okay. But I think concept is clear only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.